Good morning. Welcome to Cooking for Cancer and Chronic Disease. My name is Danielle Petrina. I'm the project manager for the Wellness and Integrative Oncology program here at Hillman Cancer Center. And this is Angela Zaccanini, our registered dietitian who focuses on lifestyle nutrition. Today we're bringing you part 4 of Cooking on a Budget. This is our last in the series, and we have really enjoyed being able to just discover new recipes that are easy to cook, cost effective. So we got all of these ingredients for today at the Dollar General down the street. We are making for you today corned bean salad. Super simple, definitely feels like a summer, spring, even fall recipe.
Yeah.
Early fall, like smell of football season fall. All of these ingredients here were $6 for this entire meal, and it serves 4 people. So it's a great recipe. And why don't you walk through all of our ingredients?
Yes.
I will put these up on the screen. Just a reminder, Ange will put this in the description, the ingredients and the instructions, so you don't have to feel like you have to rush to write everything down. Sit back and enjoy.
Okay, so we're using 2 different beans in this recipe, pinto beans and black beans. One is a Dollar General brand, the other is a brand name, Bush's Best, and both were $1. And then we have our corn, Del Monte, and then we actually used these diced tomatoes and green chilies instead of the canned roasted red peppers that were recommended for this recipe. Both going to be great for a salad / salsa / dip. Yeah. So great source of fiber. The beans are providing some protein, good complex carbohydrates. So this is a good balanced meal / again, all of those things we just mentioned.
Yep.
So besides those main ingredients here, we're going to want to use some ground cumin, which we also found at Dollar General for $1, and some hot sauce for $1. So everything total $6, and you're not doing any cooking at all.
Yeah.
So you cannot beat that.
You do not need a stove, an oven, nothing.
Nothing.
That's what's great about this.
The only thing you're going to need is a can opener.
Yep.
A big bowl and a spoon or a large mixing spoon. So you're going to want to add all of those canned goods to a big bowl, and then you're going to want a tablespoon of your hot sauce. If you don't like spice, just omit. No worries there. And then your it's 2 teaspoons of the cumin. So it's going to give it that like taco seasoning type of flavor. Mix that all together. Okay. And add a little bit of salt. Now you can omit that as well if you're watching your sodium content. And keep in mind, we actually didn't find any low sodium or no added salt canned goods at the Dollar General. So if you're watching your sodium content, a good tip, once you're draining them and putting them in a strainer or a colander, rinse water over them so that you're going to eliminate that added salt content that's usually found in canned goods to help that shelf stable process. Okay, so literally that's it.
Why don't you just tilt it for them a little bit, Ange? I mean, hold on, I'm going to switch it over one more time. That's beautiful. It's a great color.
So
it's
good.
A really good recipe. This does say to refrigerate for
Yeah,
about
serve
20-25 minutes. So yeah, and it kind of just like lets everything get its best flavors.
Yeah.
So this is awesome. I mean, I'm like, it's tortilla chips for me.
Tortilla chips. I make a variation of this too, which is literally canned corn, canned black beans, canned diced tomatoes. I sometimes add jalapeno, but then I use a lime juice to put it all together. But I love hot sauce, so I would probably definitely continue this as part of my recipe.
Yep.
And simple as that. Easy peasy, done. And I did just want to give a shout out to Sofia, who is was our Pitt student that came here, and she was the one that introduced us to all of these budget-friendly recipes. She actually created these recipes and did a project during her internship. So I did just want to thank her for helping us throughout this series.
So we hope you enjoyed. Please let us know if there's anything more you're looking for. I'm going to actually throw up Ange's email address. We definitely love to hear from you a little bit more. So this is, if you'd like to get on our our email distribution list. We just email you with the link to our YouTube channel to join us live on Wednesdays at 9. Reminder, those are free to attend, and it's also free to access our library. So if you can't make Wednesday at 9, go tune into our library. You'll see all of our videos. Also included in that is the link for the recipe that we're making, so that way you can kind of start your own little library of recipes, and then a survey. So we want to hear from you, things that you need to learn about, you'd love to learn about, that maybe we're just not touching upon.
Yeah.
Please feel free to do that. So thank you so much for joining us during this series. We hope that this has kind of expanded and
Shed some light on, you know,
and encourage you to
things that are available.
Things that are available, and to feel confident in your cooking. So take care. Thank you so much.